Hello students, very good morning to all of you. This is my lecture 5B. ये लेक्चर 5 का ही दूसरा पार्ट है. दिस इज लेक्चर 5B ऑफ चैप्टर 2 एसिड्स, बेस एंड साल्ट्स फॉर क्लास 10 chemistry. In this video I will discuss universal indicators and importance of pH in our day-to-day life. Now, universal indicator. The common indicators cannot tell us the relative strengths of acids or bases. Dear students, common indicator cannot tell us how much strong or weak acids and bases are. So to know the strength of acids and bases, how strong acids and bases are, you have to use universal indicator. Thus, to obtain an idea of how acidic or basic a substance is, we have to use universal indicator. So on universal indicator, there is also a scale and marking, or you can say numbering on that very scale is 0 to 14. On that scale, number 7 represents neutral solution, and less than 7 represents acidic, and more than 7 represents basic. So, universal indicator is a mixture of many different indicators or dyes which gives different colors at different pH values of the entire pH scale. So dear students, universal indicator is made up of many different indicators, and when we put some amount of universal indicator in any solution, then color of that solution is changed, and then we match the color present on the pH scale on the universal indicator. अगर वो कलर मान लीजिए आप 2 नंबर के pH से मैच करता है, तो हम समझ जाएंगे कि उसका pH वैल्यू 2 है, और जिस सब्सटेंस का pH वैल्यू 2 होगा वो स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड होगा. सो यूनिवर्सल इंडिकेटर पे 0 to 14 मार्किंग किया गया होता है, और 0 to 14 पे कितने नंबर पे कौन सा कलर होता है, और जब वो सॉल्यूशन किस कलर में कन्वर्ट होगा तो उसका pH वैल्यू कितना होगा, और वो कितना एसिडिक और कितना बेसिक होगा, ये पता हम इस चार्ट से करेंगे. The colors produced by universal indicator at various pH values are given below. Now this is pH number and this is its color. If pH value is 1, then its color is dark red, 1 then red, 2 is then also red, 3 then orange red, 4 orange. pH value is 5, then its color will be orange yellow, 6 greenish yellow, 7 green, 8 greenish blue. In same way, in 10 navy blue, purple, dark purple, violet and violet. If any solution convert in violet color, then its pH value may be 13 or 14, and it will be a strong base. When any solution convert into red, then its pH value may be 1 or 2, and it will be a strong acid. So by universal indicator we can find the relative strength of acids and bases. Now, importance of pH in our day-to-day life. First one, pH in our digestive system. So dear students, our stomach produces hydrochloric acid. This dilute hydrochloric acid helps in digesting our food without harming the stomach. Sometimes excess of acid is produced in our stomach due to overeating. So dear students, sometimes due to overeating, excess amount of hydrochloric acid form in our stomach. That excess amount of acid gives pain. So get rid of that very pain. We have to use bases like antacid. Antacid means anti-acid. It is made up of base, and when we take antacid, when excess amount of gas form in our stomach, then that antacid neutralize that very acid and we get rid from that irritation or pain which is produced by excess acid. Antacids are a group of mild bases which have no toxic effects on the body. Being basic in nature, antacids react with excess acid in the stomach and neutralize it. Some antacids are magnesium hydroxide, जिसे हम मिल्क ऑफ मैग्नीशिया भी बोलते हैं, and some antacids made up of sodium hydrogen carbonate, that is also called baking soda. Now, pH change as the cause of tooth decay. So dear student, when we eat food containing sugar, then the bacteria present in our mouth break down the sugar to form acids. जब हम लोग शुगर कंटेनिंग फूड करते हैं और शुगर कंटेनिंग फूड हमारे दांत में फंस जाता है और हमारे मुंह में जो बैक्टीरिया होता है उस शुगर को कन्वर्ट कर देता है एसिड में, और दैट एसिड्स ग्रेजुअली starts decaying our teeth. Tooth decay starts when the pH of acids form in the mouth falls below 5.5. जब हमारे मुंह में एसिड फॉर्म होता है और उस एसिड का पीएच वैल्यू 5.5 से बिलो होता है, देन दैट एसिड स्टार्ट्स टूथ डिकेइंग. द बेस्ट वे टू प्रिवेंट टूथ डिके इज टू क्लीन आवर माउथ थ्रोली आफ्टर ईटिंग फूड. सो डियर स्टूडेंट, अगर हम टूथ डिके से बचना चाहते हैं तो हमें ट्वाइस अ डे अच्छे से ब्रश करना होगा ताकि शुगर कंटेनिंग फूड हमारे दांतों के बीच न फंसे रहे. और शुगर कंटेनिंग फूड अगर हमारे दांतों के बीच न फंसेगा तो एसिड का फॉर्मेशन की कोई चांस नहीं है. अगर एसिड का फॉर्मेशन नहीं होगा तो टूथ डिके पॉसिबल नहीं होगा. नाउ plants and animals are sensitive of pH change. So dear students, most of the plants grow best when the pH of the soil is close to 7. जब soil का pH close to 7 होता है तो most of the plant grow properly. If the soil is too acidic, having low pH, then it is treated with materials like quicklime, that is calcium oxide, or select lime, that is calcium hydroxide, or chalk. अगर सॉइल का पीएच एसिडिक होता है यानी 7 से कम होता है तो उसे हम न्यूट्रलाइज करने के लिए क्विक लैम जो बेसिक होता है, सेलेक्ट लैम जो बेसिक होता है, चौक, चूना पत्थर, ये सब चीजें हम सॉइल में मिलाते हैं ताकि सॉइल की एसिडिटी समाप्त हो जाए, न्यूट्रलाइज हो जाए और प्लांट का प्रॉपर ग्रोथ हो। नाउ पीएच चेंज एंड सर्वाइवल ऑफ एनिमल्स। द पीएच प्लेज एन इंपॉर्टेंट रोल in the survival of animals, including human beings. Our body works well within a narrow pH range of 7.0 to 7.1. Dear students, when our body pH ranges from 7 to 7.8, then our body work properly. When the pH of rainwater is about 5.6, it is called acid rain. When rain pH value is 5.6 or about to 5.6, it is called acid rain. Uses of pH scale in our day-to-day life. Self-defense by animal and plants through chemical warfare. Many animals and plants protect themselves from their enemies by injecting painful and irritating acids and bases into their skin. For example, when a honeybee stings a person, it injects an acidic liquid into the skin which causes immense pain and irritation. So dear students, most of the plants and animals, insects inject painful or irritating acids and bases to protect themselves, and that acid and bases makes me irritative and painful. And when a wasp stings, it injects an alkaline liquid into the skin. So if a wasp stings a person, then rubbing a mild acid like vinegar of the stung area of the skin given relief. अगर हमें कोई इंसेक्ट एसिडिक केमिकल्स हमारे बॉडी में इंजेक्ट करता है तो उसे हम न्यूट्रलाइज करने के लिए बेसिक सब्सटेंस को वहां उस पे रब कर देंगे उस स्टंग एरिया में. अगर कोई इंजेक्ट हमारा बेसिक केमिकल छोड़ता है तो हम एसिड लाइक विनेगर को वहां पे रब करेंगे ताकि वो उसे न्यूट्रलाइज कर दे और हम रिलीफ फील करें. An ant's sting inject methanoic acid into the skin of a person, causing burning pain. When a person happens to touch the leaves of a nettle plant accidentally, then a stinging hair of nettle leaves inject methanoic acid into the skin of the person, causing burning pain because nature of acid is corrosive. It starts burning in our body. The nettle sting, being acidic, can be neutralized by rubbing baking soda on the skin. So these are the pH importance of pH in our day-to-day life. And more about this chapter I will discuss in next video. Thank you for today's class.